What's up, guys? David here with you, and man, I have been busy like all get out. My camera thing for my van, it broke with me, which I broke it. It wasn't that it was no good. I put a little bit too much force on it. Plus, I was using it to try to film other things at the time, so it got used heavily. So, but I'm finna scoop me up another one so I can just strictly use it for the vehicle. And wanted to bring y'all another ride along today. Now some of these pictures won't be just specifically for today, but I got 8 on the list today. Man, Thanksgiving has just got us so swamped. Everybody trying to get their little last fixes done. And I'm fixing to call in some stuff to the warranty company, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. I appreciate all my subscribers, I appreciate all my likes, all the comments, and it means the world to me that you guys enjoy seeing my content and seeing enjoying the information that I'm bringing to you guys. That means a lot, so I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. I was on this call and the dryer was not starting up, which I knew once we had proper voltage in that it was going to be the thermal fuse. The other thing I noticed was the dryer exhaust vent was super long, so we cut it and made it short. And you can see here, this is how much we cut off here on this one right here. Moved on to the next one. Alright guys, we didn't have to go too far on this one. Customer called, said the tub's not wanting to spin. Once I got there to the home and tried to spin the tub, I can tell that there was something caught in it. Didn't have to go too far, removed the top and found this. This was my first time working on this style of a microwave, but all microwaves are basically the same. And the fuse was blown, which normally when these fuses blow there is a reason, and the reason for that was going to be the capacitor. Changed the capacitor and got this one up and rolling. Customer called and said their washer wasn't draining after I removed the filter. No wonder it wasn't draining. Surprised how many people do not know to clean this filter out on their wash machine. Here you're looking at an oven range. The customer said that it was cooking the food unevenly. It had a hidden bake element, so I had to pull the side off to get to it. Kind of my surprise, it just needed the terminal replaced. This next picture here is an evaporator for an ice maker. This is actually a Frigidaire style. They have come out with a kit because this thing was leaking water, and so I had to take the ice maker frame out and begin to install the new seal kit. Customer called and said the timer works on certain settings and the other time it don't. Got there, fooled with it, and of course it was the timer. Last job was for the warranty company, and this is a door handle on a microwave. It's broken and this thing is expensive, so I just recommend replacing the microwave. Alright, this is the last clip for today. Always remember there's a tech sheet in every appliance. Your washers, your dryers, your stoves, your refrigerators. Sometimes they'll have them under the lids, under the kick plates, behind panels. They'll be in there and help you troubleshoot your appliances. Alright guys, thank you for watching.